Pawpaw Sammy here, people. This morning, on a lighter note, it's hard to believe it, how stupid and how naive some of our politicians are. Point in question. I filled my car up with gas this morning, $2.13 a gallon. It's been $2.10, $2.20, $2.15, up and down for the last 2 or 3 months. Coming home on the radio, in California, the average price anywhere from $4.60 to $5, whatever, 5 plus. California is losing 2 of their main refineries. 2 petrochemical plants are closing down. That's 20% of their gross gasoline usage. What are they going to do? Well, the price is going to shoot up to around $8 a gallon, maybe more. So if they jump in there right quick, they have no place to store the gas. The petrochemical plants was manufactured and stored until it was needed. California has no storage capacity. They would have to rent the plant, storage, pay somebody to maintain it, which is going to raise the price of the gas more. All right, now let's move down to the city docks where the ships unload. They want the ships to hook into the electrical grid in California when they come into port. That's fine. That is, if the ship is equipped to do that, which most of them are not. So they want to reap the benefit of the electricity to the ship. So if the ship don't have the capacity to hook up to the grid, they're going to fine the ship X amount of dollars, a tax. That also raises the price of gas. People, I'm beginning to think our politicians didn't go to school. Come on. In grade school, they teach you for every action, there is a reaction. You can't just say, well, need more money, raise taxes. When you raise taxes here, people are going to start buying over yonder. Important question. George Washington was approached by the citizens back in the day. The whaling ships are pricing, raising the price on whale oil. We demand that you tell them they can't do it. He said, I will not do that. It's a private enterprise. So the whaling ships raised the price of oil. Where's the whaling ships? You ever heard of coal oil? Didn't take long for somebody to figure out, man, for that price, there got to be a cheaper way. But that don't work in California. No, it don't work. They have lost contact with reality. Instead of leaving the gas prices alone, petrochemical, where the whole world is set up to run on, and start implementing their green energy policies a little at a time, the economy would have stayed stable, green energy would have been growing, everybody would have been cruising. Oh no, shut it down. Close all the service stations. You can't build anymore. Shut off the petrochemical plants. Okay, you got what you asked for. Good luck, California. Believe me, you're going to need it.